my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Let us start our today's lecture. So, this is our new chapter we're gonna do in today's class. Just give me a few seconds so that I can share my screen with you people. Screen is all nearly about to be shared. So I hope you all can see my screen now. Let us start a slideshow. So students, here is a picture in front of you. You have to tell me what you are observing in this picture. I'm giving you a few seconds. You have to observe what you are noticing in this picture. Yes, it is a Taj Mahal. Exactly, you are guessing it right. What about the observation? Like what you are observing in this image, like which is looking so attractive in this picture in terms of mathematics. What do you think that? What would be the interesting thing which we can see from this? Yes, you have done in previous class also. Yes, you are guessing it right. Yes, can we say it is in a symmetry? Yes, yes, exactly. If we are dividing it from in between, we can say that it is a symmetry. If we are dividing it from the center, we would be observing that the left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side. That means it is making some symmetry. Okay, students? So this is what we're gonna do in today's class, line of symmetry. Let me write the name of topic on the board. That is line of symmetry. Okay, what we're gonna do it. Like you can see in the image, they were showing that the image is showing kind of symmetry. If we are drawing a line from the center, what we are observing is we would be observing the line is dividing both the images into two equal parts. So we can say that it is a line of symmetry. Okay, line is a line which is making a which is dividing a symmetrical object or symmetrical image into two equal parts. That is a symmetry, line of symmetry. So these are the learning outcomes for today. You would be able to understand the concept of line of symmetry after the completion of this class. Then you would be able to analyze the use of symmetry in real life. Then you would definitely create the patterns formed from the symmetry, and then you can apply this symmetry on the alphabets also. Yes. So what is a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is kind of a concept in geometry. We know that in geometry we are having shapes. Okay, so which says that if we are dividing some shape from in between, like we are putting a line in the center, we are observing that the left hand side and right hand side of an image is equal to each other. Like in the image also you are observing a tiger is having line is sorry having symmetry, line of symmetry. If we are that they have used the purple colored line from the center, and you can notice the left hand side is, if you would be hiding left hand side, you would be observing the right hand side which would be equal. Like in the mirrors also, we see in the mirrors, we what we observe is when we are watching our reflection, it is like left hand is looking towards left hand side, right hand is looking toward right. But when we are clicking the picture, sometimes you might have noticed, then we are clicking picture, our left side looks to the right hand side, but the image is same. It is quite difficult to identify that there is a difference between the left hand side and right hand side, isn't it, students? Yes, so this is a concept of line of symmetry. Now, where does we use symmetry and why do we use it? I'm giving you a few seconds to think about it. What do you think that where do we use and why do we use it? Yes, in real life, you can see, you can look around yourself. You would definitely find some objects which are made up of symmetry. or we can say line of symmetry. Anything you would be observing, like if you are observing any object, if you would be like mobile phones only, we can see that if you would be dividing this mobile from the center, putting a line of symmetry in between, you would be noticing that you are this left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side. So this is example I have given to you, and you can notice this example in your life also. Just find any object and look for the line of symmetry in it. Okay. Yes, I have given you a few seconds. Yes, you can notice that. Now you have thought about from your side. Let us continue with the actual use of this line of symmetry. That is, in a case of artists, in a case of professionals, in the case of designing the clothes, jewelry. Okay, so there are a lot of patterns. You can observe on the real life where the symmetry is used. Okay, let me show a pattern on the bedsheet only. You can see on the bedsheet. You can see here. Let me zoom the screen. It is just a random example I'm giving you to you. You can also notice anything which is near to you. Here you can observe a pattern has been made. Okay, like this leaf is here. If you would be noticing, just far distance, you would be noticing this leaf is becoming coming again. Okay, so here's a kind of flower is here, or we can see that this flower is starting, leaf is starting from here, then at this distance, and then this another leaf is starting from here, and this another leaf is starting from the parallel of this. So it is making some kind of pattern which is really making sense in real life. Otherwise, it would be, things doesn't look nice without symmetry. Okay. So what about yourself? What you have observed in the examples? Let me decrease the size of the screen so that you can have example here only. Yes. You can see that car manufacturers, let me refresh it. Yes. You can see the design in the first picture. They have shown about the architectures. Definitely architectures use this kind of symmetry, otherwise it would be difficult for them and for the things also to make it appropriately. Okay, you can see a mirror, you can observe here a mirror. In this case also they have given the proper symmetry from the center, otherwise it would be difficult for them to give the cuttings of this mirror and the frame or boundaries to this mirror. Otherwise, you know if, what do you think if there would be a line that is, if in the case of mirror the line is slightly more from this side or slightly from this side, it will be difficult for the making the images. In the case of architecture also, if homes are made where straight, if there would be a wall that would be slightly in this way, so it would be difficult for making those walls or pillars to stay on the base of that home. Otherwise it could definitely fall when there would be a little chance of earthquake. So it really matters how the architects use a lot of brains by using line of symmetry. Okay, and in case of engineers, in the second example, there is a car which says that if cars also, if they want to be having a design which is like the right hand side of the car is quite larger, but the not the equal to the left hand side. But there is not only about the design could be anything, any type of design could be there, but the interior, the engines and other things which are inserted in that car, that would definitely be difficult for adjusting to the entire car. So engineers also use line of symmetry for dividing the cars or any vehicle, so making them in a line of symmetry. So in case of nature also, definitely we are also a protection of nature. So what do you think, we are also symmetrical? If we are considering left hand side to the right hand side, that is symmetrical. If I'm dividing my face also, left hand side is equal to right hand side. The entire body of ours is dividing from line of symmetry. The left hand side is right, the, we can say, replica of the right hand side. Okay, in case of this also, they have shown the example for tortoise. Okay, if we are dividing it from in between, we would be considering line of symmetry here also. So students, do you think, read the question critically? Okay, yes. I'm giving you a few seconds. Think about the question. Do our face have equal line of symmetry? Check and answer. Now I have already given you idea or the same, but I would like you also to have an experience of that same. I'm giving you a few seconds. You can think about it. Then I'll be discussing the same with you. Okay. Go and check it with the help of some thread of, or you can also use the ruler. Yes. As I'm keeping this ruler at the center, what do you observe? Like the left hand side is quite equal to my right hand side. There is slightly difference, which is quite natural. But if we are noticing it from far place or we are noticing it critically, we would be observing that our face is making a line of symmetry. Yes, so the answer would be line of symmetry is there in case of face also. The left hand side would be equal to the right hand side. Yes, whosoever have experienced it and tried it now, they are accurate and they have given the right answer. Yes. Now you have to observe the pattern which I would be showing here. See what it is. Like it is a cover, we could say. Sometimes we keep our landlines on this, or we also, sometimes cover this things with it. So it is. Are you observing some kind of pattern here? Like if I'm folding it from the center, like we can say the line of symmetry here. Okay, line of symmetry here. What you are observing, this side is totally equal to this side, isn't it? Aren't they making the same pattern? So this is how we could make patterns also with the help of line of symmetry. So yes, so this is what the need of line of symmetry is there for making the patterns. A lot of patterns are made with the help of this line of symmetry. Okay, so this was an idea about the same. So we would be learning about the line, lot of patterns which are formed from line of symmetry with the different criterias. Okay, so in the first picture you can observe that you can compose a picture album showing symmetry. Like where have you seen this kind of pattern? Yes, think about it. Where you have seen this kind of patterns? In the first image you can see here, compose a picture album showing symmetry. Yes, if you are thinking it, yes, you are, around you also you can observe a lot of patterns here. You are thinking it right. The patterns are in our kitchen tiles also, in our washroom tiles also, in our on our bed sheets also, on our clothes also, jewelry also. A lot of things are considering these kind of patterns. These patterns are usually we can observe in the case of tiles which are inserted inside your washroom and in kitchen. They are taking one tile, they are attaching a lot of tiles, and this kind of pattern is visible on that entire wall, isn't it? So we can say that it is very crucial to have these kind of patterns. Yes. What about the next image? What are you observing in the next image? Like create some colorful ink dot devils. Yes, you are observing it right. If you are noticing like the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Yes, exactly. Let us try then. Now take a paper. Let me zoom it. Yes, you can do one thing is you can take a paper. Now you are having your drawings, colors, painting colors also. You can try on that. Let me show it with the help of marker only. Here is a paper I am having. I am folding it from the center. Okay. We are applying line of symmetry on this. Now you can observe is if I'm throwing ink on it, this is a pointer marker, I'm putting two dots here. I'm just keeping these 2 points here, and I'm just keeping for some time so that this ink would converted it towards the other side. Let us observe if this ink works. You can take your painting colors also, because it would be more interesting to use different kind of colors. Yes. Okay. So now let us see if it works. Yes. Let me show you the another line. Let me draw it more darker because it would be more visible then. Yes, I would be drawing a line over here on the one side and on the other. Let's see if it has been converted to the other side. I would like to you also to draw with me. You have to just throw an ink. You can use the painting colors also. Yes. I'm just keeping for a while. What you can observe is a kind of pattern. I just kept, you have to keep some paint over here, which would be converting to the another page, and you would be opening it. You would be observing some pattern which has been drawn. Okay, so this was the example for the second one. That was a dotted devil, we could say, with a colorful ink. Okay, you are having painting colors, you would be using them. Okay, I have just used this black sketch or black marker. Okay, yes. So what about the third image? What do you think? What does this third image says? Make some symmetrical paper cut designs. You are very fond of doing this from the childhood only. You are making a lot of patterns, sometimes at your school also. The magicians come and they draw these kind of patterns and give you the notebooks for a lot of designings, isn't it? So this is what you can do at your home also, using a lot of patterns, of your choice only. You don't need to just think about making what kind of pattern should I make. Okay, let me keep it here. Yes, and we would be drawing the last one now. Make some symmetrical paper cuts. We would be taking the paper. Let me take the same paper and scissors, pair of scissors. We would be cutting it. Let me draw uh, anything like I haven't planned. I would be just cutting it from in between wherever I feel like cutting it. Yes. I want you also to take paper and scissors and cut it from folding in a line of symmetry and cut it in between. Whatever you feel like cutting it, you can cut any kind of pattern. Now I'm also cutting it from here for giving it a more good look with the paper, or I can say the pattern. Yes. You can also do same with me. In the childhood, I also used to make a lot of decoration papers. We can also do same. See how interesting we are learning it in a mathematics class. So yes, students, what we can observe here, kind of pattern, like you can see that I cut it from this area, and I found out that on the another side also there is a same pattern which has been made, isn't it? I just made a little mouth here, that is a head. So you can observe a pattern has been made. I cut it from here. The left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side. The cuttings here was similar to this, and this is this. So it is kind of pattern which we can observe here. It is just a random pattern I made. It is not similar to this one, similar to this one, but not exactly this one. You can draw same. Okay. In the corners they have given the cuttings like this. That's why they have shown it this way. You can make it from your choice. There is no hard and fast rule. You will be making the same pattern which are available in your textbooks. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea how they have created it. The corners, yeah. You can see that this is how we are cutting, and we are observing the same kind of zigzag pattern here. So you can also use and try at your home the patterns, different kind of various patterns, whatever you feel like. Okay. So yes, good students. So I assume you are also doing it with me. This is quite interesting approach. Yes. So now here's a question in front of you. I'm giving you rights also. I'm giving you time also to choose any option from these and do it for your practice. Just for now, you have to choose any one, and after that, you will be definitely doing for homework. But for now, you have to choose, select one and draw it. Like in the first one, you can make albums, as I have told you. In the case of ties and lot of patterns, you can make. You can take a picture of that also if you feel like not drawing it. The second is you have to create some colorful ink dots, like I have shown you. You would be throwing the drop of a paint, and on the other side also you would be noticing the same pattern which is you have obtained. Okay, so after that you have to make the symmetrical papers cutting and you would be receiving the design. Okay, so you can make it afterwards also. Yes. So students, what do you think that alphabets who are making line of symmetry? Just give me some names. You have to name some alphabets which are making line of symmetry. Yes, you can take few seconds and think about it. Few seconds, yes. Lot of alphabets are there who are making symmetry. Now here are some examples for the same. Symmetry of alphabets. They are also called to be axis, because in case of axis we know that we are making x-axis and y-axis, which is also a division of a quarters. Similarly, in the case of alphabets, we can notice that T and M is making line of symmetry. Okay, so these are the example of some line of symmetry, that is T and M. Let me give you more alphabets which are making line of symmetry. You can also give me example for the same. Just think about the alphabets which are making line of symmetry. Yes, like let us start from A only. You can observe A here. If I am putting line of symmetry, you can see that left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side, isn't it? Yes. So let us check for B. It is a B. If I'm applying line of symmetry, you can notice. Is it making a line of symmetry like the left hand side is equal to the right hand side? What do you think about it? No. The left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we won't be considering B as a line of symmetry, okay? But A would be considering as a line of symmetry, okay? Let us try for other alphabets also. Just give some random alphabet, students. So let's try for X. And Z. So I'm applying line of symmetry here and here. What you are observing? First, tell me in the case of X, is it making a line of symmetry? Yes, you can take 2 seconds. Yes, you're right. It is making line of symmetry. So right. What about the Z? Does the Z is also making a line of symmetry? You might be confused in this, if that is Z makes line of symmetry or not. No, students, if we are feeling like it is a similar shape towards left to the right side, but it is not making a line of symmetry, okay? Because this area, this shape would be going to the right hand side, but this would be here. But this would be coming here. So totally the shape of the Z would be converting like, it would be converting like this. Z. Okay. So with which you can observe that this is not symmetrical to this. This Z is different and this Z is different. So it is a not a line of symmetry. Okay, students? Yes. So now I hope you have understood about the line of symmetry in case of alphabets. Okay. So now I'm giving you right. You have to draw the line of symmetry of alphabets which are making line of symmetry. You have to notice which alphabet makes line of symmetry and which doesn't. The way I have just shown you, you have to draw it here, or you can draw it on your notebooks and show it in the next class, or you can send me the pictures on my email ID. Okay. Yes. So very good, students. I'm assuming you all are doing the practicing these line of symmetry in case of alphabets. Very good. So let us recapitulate our chapter. Yes. So today we have learned about the line of symmetry. That was a line which we draw in between of some object, and we divide left hand side and right hand side, and we compare them with each other, that they are making line of symmetry, like if the left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side, otherwise it is not making a line of symmetry. Then we have learned a lot of patterns which are considered, which are made from the line of symmetry. Okay, then we now only we have done about the symmetry of alphabets, which alphabet makes symmetry, which are why dividing line of symmetry by applying line of symmetry, which alphabet is making symmetry. Okay, so here is a question you can do same. Compose a picture album showing symmetry. Now I have given you not the choice, but I have given you the question that you can compose a picture which is making album, okay, showing symmetry. Then another question is, name some alphabet which makes line of symmetry. Yes, we also have done examples for the same. Yes, which alphabet are making line of symmetry? Yes, A is making line of symmetry. Any other? X is making line of symmetry. What about the other alphabets? Yes, I is also making a line of symmetry. Yes, so these are the examples for making line of symmetry. Excellent, students. You all have given the adoption in your mind if you are thinking about it. So here's a homework in front of you. You have to solve these questions. You have to study the following figures in which the line of symmetry are marked with the dotted lines. You have to measure them. They are making line of symmetry or not. Then there is an activity where you would be collecting the designs, and you would be identifying the lines which are also called as axis but of symmetry. In design, you would be collecting and making a line in between it, and you have to check, does it make line of symmetry or not. Okay, students, so it is a kind of easy task for you all. As here's another question which I told you earlier also, you would be doing in homework where you have to do practice for 3 of these. Otherwise, you would be forgetting the concept, and you would definitely enjoy this homework. And this is what we have done today, students. So here's, I'm done with today's class. So thank you so much for attention, and thank you, students.